Is your garage door opener trying to tell you something? Strange noises or delayed responses? Your opener might be failing. In Panama City, Florida, these issues can disrupt daily life and affect home security. Unusual noises, grinding or clunking sounds. These signal internal wear that could lead to a full breakdown. Inconsistent door movement. Stops halfway or gets stuck? Misaligned sensors or motor issues may be the cause, often worsened by coastal humidity. Delayed or no response. If there's a lag or no action from remotes or switches, you could be facing wiring problems or a failing circuit board. Random reversals or stops. A door that reverses for no reason often has dirty or misaligned safety sensors, especially common in humid areas. Opener motor runs, but door doesn't move. This may indicate a disengaged trolley or broken belt. Immediate attention is needed. Excessive vibration or manual issues. Shaking openers and stiff manual lifts may mean loose parts, damaged tracks, or spring problems. Age and energy spikes. If your opener is over 10 years old or driving up energy use, consider repair or replacement. Time to call a pro. DIY has limits. For mechanical, electrical, or safety concerns, call a garage door expert to avoid bigger issues.